Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Well, this is not a vlog, but today I'm just gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna be making egusi soup. Y'all know I love to cook and I like trying new things. So yeah, that's what I decided to try. It was my first time making it and it came out really good, if I do say so myself. And I had a Nigerian person try it and they ate it and they loved it and they said this is like the best. So obviously this is not me cooking it yet. I was making breakfast first because I needed to eat. As you guys can see on the clock right there, it's 11:35, and I had to cook breakfast first and then eat, and then the next few whatever you guys are gonna see me making just a smoothie, and then I'll eat and then we'll get to cooking, and I'll do a little voiceover here and there just to tell you guys what I'm doing, but keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this video if you are new to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It helps me kind of just like know that you guys actually like my channel and you guys are interested, since I am a new YouTuber and all of that, all those good stuff. So make sure you like this video and check out my other previous videos as well. Okay, so starting off, I have some tilapia here, just seasoning it. I was gonna make the egusi and then bake the tilapia in the oven, and just have something to eat with it, like a protein-ish meat option. So I'm just adding a whole bunch of seasonings. You guys can add whatever you want in it. Usually I just do the basic seasonings and then I add a whole bunch of like herbs and all the good stuff. So and here you guys just gonna see I am pretty much just grating a raw nutmeg, and you can use powdered nutmeg. I just like to use the raw one, just a habit where I grew up. My mom always used the raw one, so I use a raw one, but you can definitely use powdered nutmeg. And then just make sure you mix the fish, and then here I'm just cutting all the vegetables that I'll be using. I just had red and orange pepper. You can definitely just use 2 red peppers and you don't have to use the orange pepper, but that's all I had that day. So I'm doing that, and then I cut up the jalapenos, put it all in the blender, plus 1 onion and garlic, and then blend it all in there. Oh yeah, so I had a whole onion and then I cut it in half. 1/2 of the onion, you guys will see, I fried it, and then the other half I had put in the blender with all the vegetables that I was blending. So I fried the onion with a little bit of olive oil, and then here I'm adding just like crushed tomatoes or pureed tomatoes I get at Walmart, and you kind of just let that cook. I also did cut some green onions and I added it in there with the onion, and you just let it cook for a little bit, like fry for a little bit, and then while it's frying I go back and I blend all the stuff I mentioned earlier, and then once that's done, go back and add that into the fried onion slash green onion slash tomatoes, and kind of just let it cook for a little bit. And once that that's cooking. You'll see in the next few clips I'm gonna be putting the fish to get it ready to bake in the oven. So I just pretty much put 400 degrees and I play around with the time. So right here I was just doing 30 minutes and then I'll check it and flip and then add extra minutes if I need to. And this is the ground egusi that I'm going to be using, the melon seeds. I used 2 bags, and just make sure, you guys, what I learned is you're supposed to like kind of like look inside and just like make sure it's good before you put in the food. Disclaimer. Obviously it's good, but it's kind of like rice. You have to like kind of look through and pick things out. But anyways, so I mixed that in with everything and just kind of made sure I stirred it really good to have everything absorbed. So this wasn't part of the recipe, but I wanted to try it, and I'm glad I did because it was really good. It made it taste really rich and flavorful. So I used 1 can of that mackerel and mixed it all in there. Made sure I like broke the fish up a little bit in there, and then I covered it and let it cook for a little longer while I check on the fish, as you guys will see in the next few clips. Yes, I know, like the fish was just breaking crazy as I was trying to flip it, but it's all good. I just added a little bit more olive oil on top to kind of like help with the shininess and all that good stuff. And here I was just cutting up the spinach. I used 2 bags, and you don't have to cut it small. I just cut it in half so it doesn't like look stringy when you mix it with the egusi. So make sure you wash your spinach, even if it says it's already washed. Wash your spinach and cut it up in half, and then I wait till the egusi is like almost done cooking because spinach doesn't really need to cook that long. And then I add it in, mix it together. I realized I didn't have a clip of that. I don't know where it went, but I don't show you guys how I mixed it in there. But pretty much just wait till the egusi is almost done cooking and then add it in there and mix it up, let it cook for another like 10 minutes or so, and you're good and your food should be done. And yeah, this is the kwanga that me and my cousin made back when I went back to my parents' house. If you guys haven't seen it, check out that video. This is my work, the egusi I made. That's the end result. And then that's the baked fish. Boom, boom. I started eating that corner. As you guys saw, I made egusi soup. I baked fish in the oven. As you guys saw, it's my first time making egusi, so I will taste it and tell you guys how it came out, because I think it came out really good because I tasted it already and it was seasoned well. And yeah, like first time, a win. I was kind of rushing a little bit too while I was cooking, but that is my proudest moment because I cooked that in how long? Basically, it took me like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to cook everything. And I made breakfast and a smoothie, and then I cooked and I baked fish. All maybe 2.5 hours total. But the egusi by itself plus the baked fish, it took me like an hour and a half. So I'm very proud of myself because I think that's what I need to do. I usually try to time myself when I'm cooking if I want to be done quickly. But Sometimes I still go over the time, but I think today was because I actually had to physically leave the house, and it came out good. I can already tell it came out good. I don't even need to tell y'all that it came out good, but it came out good because I know it came out good. Okay, I'm about to eat. I'm gonna pack my lunch, then prepare my meal so that I can just grab it, put it in my lunch bag, and go, come back, switch out the plates, put another one in the lunch bag, and go, come back till I finish my work week. Working 3 days in a row, 5:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Wednesday. Not looking forward to getting up at 4 a.m. tomorrow, but it has to be done. So we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna get ready for bed and go to sleep. Bye.